Margaret Werner Tobien, 1921–1997, is an American woman who survived imprisonment in a Gulag, a Siberian death camp of Stalinist Russia. Early life. Margaret was born in 1921 near Detroit, Michigan, and her father worked for Ford Motor Company. When Margaret was 10, Ford moved its location to Russia, and Margaret's father was transferred along with some 450 employees from 1930 to 1932. At 17, Margaret's father was arrested and imprisoned in Russia after being convicted on trumped-up charges of treason. Left to survive in the Soviet regime, Margaret and her mother faced years of poverty and near starvation. Imprisonment. In 1943, Margaret herself was accused of espionage and sentenced to 10 years of hard labor in Stalin's Gulag. Personal life. After her release from prison, Margaret married Gunter Tobien and changed her last name. Their son Karl Tobien was born in 1956 just outside the Gulag. He was 5 years old when he, his mother and his grandmother returned to the U.S. In 1991, Margaret converted to evangelical Christianity. Karl wrote a book about his mother's life and imprisonment titled Dancing Under the Red Star. References